Oh shit, some of them are leaving. They're inside the fort. Never mind. Three of them just left. Robo, Doruk, HR Dragon, and Mycom left. Those three guys just left. But there's still 8, so there's still kind of many. They're rejoining. Mycom rejoined. They're 9. Yeah. We are 8 and they are 9. Oh shit! I have a timer. Bro, this bozo. They are at minimal. I'm annoying them, but they're just chillaxing. Two of them can come from bronze. Yes, some of them are coming from bronze. One is here now. Bro, the girls are the most tryhards, man. I cannot lose. Okay, secretary helped me. One of them left. There are 8 now. It's 8v8. They are go. One is pushing. Bro, we're just quickly spamming lol. I have to just quickly spam. At least we bite our cookery for a reason to spam them. Imagine like you just take out your proto and like 10 guys with cookeries attack you. Oh shit, one of them is going, one of them is pushing. He failed. Bro, their leader is probably super mad right now. Oh, there's 2 of them fighting back. Oh shit. Oh bro, why is I think they are going from, no, they can't go from only 2 of them can come from bronze. Oh shit, some of them are going. I think they made a plan to like meet up. I'm spawning Henry. Maybe they're pushing from reservation camp. Who knows? Because there's only 2 of them at only 2 of them at windmill camp. So they're going from reservation maybe. But I don't think they can go from reservation. They're too stupid. Oh shit! Who's shooting me? Oh shit! You will be clapped to Hamadallah. You got clapped too. And Papuga will be clapped. Look, Papuga will be clapped. And he's clapped. Wait. But like he's worked 4 people because he's using bandages when he's fighting. That's why. Oh shit! There's a big push coming. There's a big push coming from reservation camp. Because all of windmill is empty. So where can they be if they can't be at if they can't be at fort if they can't be bronze there at reservation? Oh shit! They did a push. The girls are here. Oh, we got a problem, guys. The 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 faction called Croat faction is also attacking us. I There's 8 of them now. What did they say? It's the guy from the Croat faction. Oh shit! They came from behind. They came from behind. What? Oh shit! Huge push! I told you they come from reservation camp. A huge push from reservation camp, guys. Go on the roofs. Oh shit! All of our guys are dead. Alright, they were smart. Oh shit! It's night now. We will not be able to see them. Some of them are wearing camouflage. How many are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, they're 10 now. They got back up like 1 person. Four. Yes. Bro, I was acting like there's 10 people in the DBC. It's only Mapuga and Ren. They have Henry. Oh, that's the flag. Nice. Contest the flag so they cannot spawn, bro. Yes, good. There's a guys. Go on the roof, please. Trust me. Everyone in this VC, it's only 4 people. Go on the roof. Just because they're spamming dynamites. I'm going on the roof. Yeah, I'm going inside. I'm going on the roof. Oh shit, bro! I didn't even survive. What? I can't even walk to the roof. What? Someone spam dynamite, please. Spam dynamite. Everyone in this server has Discord and is in the Discord server, but not in the VC. I don't know why. Okay, I think we got the fort. There's a lot of us inside. Spam Dyna, guys. Spam Dyna. Spam Dyna. Go on the roof and spam Dyna, Hamada. And don't throw Dyna. Like, hold it a bit. Hold the Dyna a bit. Then throw it. Yeah, I can play tomorrow. They're on the roofs. They're on the roofs. Contest the flag, bro. Contest the flag. Bro, you didn't contest the flag. They could spawn. What? Like, I have to do this all alone. I'm the only one contesting the flag. Everyone else is around the fort. Mycom, this Mycom guy spawned it. Guys, even if the flag is half and you leave it for 1 second, they can still spawn. I can spam Kukuru too, bro. Go on the roofs, guys. Go on the roofs. There's a guy here. He's from the Croat faction. Yeah, that's why go on the roof. Even leave if they go close to that thing, I'm gonna kick them and you can kill them. Okay, on him. This Mycom guy. Mycom. You see that Mycom guy in the middle? Yeah, that's him. The Mycom guy in the middle. Okay, kill him. He opened the gate. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Target him. Target him. Target him. They're spamming Dyna, Hamada. If you can spam Dyna too. This fucker is not coming close to me. He's one shot. He's one shot. Motherfucker, he's one shot. Okay, I killed the Dyna spammer. I killed the Dyna spammer. Who? Mike Jones? No, he's from WNT. He's in. Just look in the chat. He was typing like the last person. Entra, no forte, fisa, Sima. Bro, what are they saying? I'm gonna post up on a mountain. I didn't let him. I forgot to let him. Lol, they didn't let Mycom in the faction until now. He left. Lol, he just left. I think it disconnected. Maybe they are leaving. There's only one, two, three, four. There's only five of them. Four of them left behind the fort.